I'm coming, coming. Who's there? Ah, baby, wait, wait. I can hear you. Just a minute, okay? I'm finishing this. Cauliflower is in my hand. 1 minute, I'm coming. Hello? Who is this? Ah, come in, baby, come in. How are you doing? Ah, so happy to see you, man. Long time I haven't seen you. So how big you're become. My goodness. So how was your trip over here? Good. I'm glad to see you. How is mummy? And how is daddy? They're fine, auntie. Yes, mummy sends you her regards. Are Baba, just let me put the pressure cooker off. No, I'm just making that some pork curry and some. Also, I was cooking some beef for tomorrow, man. Making that sukka, no sukka. Yeah, sit, no. Long time. I'm happy you came, Baba. You have some time. I wanted to tell you some stories, man. Just little bit, no. You remember, no? Mummy always tells you the story about where we were living. Yes, Auntie, I remember. She was saying in Mahim. Are that only Baba. That Mahim, no, where we were staying. That 4th Street was there, no? What? It was amazing life, man, that time. Your mother and I enjoyed so much, so much. Ah, Baba, let me put this thing off and I come sit with you and talk, okay? Are so much noise, no? The children are making down in the park, man. Let me close this window so I can talk properly with you. Sit, baby, sit. What you want to have? Tell me. You want me? I make you some nice chai, no? That sometime it tastes good when with the adrak and all, no? Like these Gujaratis make. Or you want just simple chai? I can also make you some limbu sarbat. Or let me look. Maybe I have a Coca Cola in the fridge. Huh? Yeah, baby. Yeah, I got pour this for you. You enjoy it, okay? Thank you, Auntie. It's really nice. It's so hot outside. Thank you, thank you. Now, while you're drinking this, no, let me tell you, man, about a Khansap compound, no. Your mummy and I, no, mummy was staying up, no, next to us. She was our neighbor. Array, that Khansap compound was really special place, man. Nowadays, you don't get that kind, no. That's 1960 time I'm talking about. Now what? 2019 world has changed completely. Now everywhere you go, no man, what big buildings are there, no place to walk. Also, so much they are digging the roads, and the crowd is also increased. And what they are putting this railway system and everything, it's just increasing crowd. But in those days, when you could sit now in the compound and you could hear the birds, so the koel was always singing in the May month, man, singing and singing so beautiful. I still remember that. And that Khansab compound was there. Khan Saab, he was landlord of that place. And he was very khussat fellow man. Very angry always. But he did good by us, no still. He was taking good care of the compound. You know, when my girl, he was not allowing any fellows like all this chores and bhikaris and all are coming. He was putting a stop to them then only, man. Not letting them come inside. Keeping us safe always, no? But otherwise, he was very khadus with everybody, getting angry, man. And that he was, I think that time only I was little, but he must be like, I think maybe 70 years old or something. And every morning for breakfast, He just wanted, eggs. Two eggs, sunny side. His wife was very, typical like Indian, covering head and everything. And she used to bring the egg man. But tell you, he never liked that. Anytime egg was broken, no, he start to yell and scream. Sometimes he was throwing the chappal also. Bad temper, bad temper. Anyway, those were the days, man. That way only the life went, and all these fellows, no, they were coming in the compound to sell things, no, like the machiwala, and that ananas was selling the juice, and that other fellow was coming, no, to sell that dantun manjan, no, for the teeth. Mummy told you, Mummy told you about that any time? No, auntie, she hasn't told me anything. Harry man, ask her. She'll tell you all the story. But that was all, no, life in Khansap compound near the 4th Street only. That name only was 4th Street, man. Like 4th Street, no. In the top was a fort, no, old fort. Many years before it was built. I think like 400 years something. It was by the beach, no. We were just hop, skip, and jump. We were in the beach. Sometime we used to go, no, because those days it was like very lonely, not many people there. My mummy and daddy used to not send us too much. Sometimes they used to go, we used to go. And that time there was no bhel puri and chana wala and all in the beach. Huh? It was just only the all the rocks and sand, and sometime high tide is coming. 2 3 time, man, it was kind of dangerous there. One fellow fell down on the rocks there. I don't know. He came back or no. What happened to him? And those are all the stories from that time. And the police station, no, police station was in front of the compound, man. Arey, they used to bring now the chores and fellow men, sometimes innocent also, they'll beat and beat to make a confession, no, because the police has to look good, no. Poor guys, I used to feel sorry, man. I was little, I was hearing them crying and all, shouting in the middle of the night. Poor guys. But no, that way was life, man. Life was very different. Okay, my girl. So I was telling you about the concept, no, the different things there were going on. You must hear in the beginning of the compound, no, in the front. My girl, there was this one fellow man, he was blind. And guess what he was doing? Nowadays, people on the road, they just. But this fellow, no, he was very enterprising. Huh? He had little shop. He's selling candy, Ravalgaon. He's selling chingom. All these things he was doing there, man. And blind, completely blind. Blind means blind. He had eyes, no, but it's like kind of all gray color, could not see anything. Very dirty also shop was, but we were little, no, we didn't know anything. You guys, aren't you really? There was like a shop with a blind man. He was selling the stuff. Yes, my girl, those were the time, no, that he was a difficult time and different time. Now you want any candy, you're running to mall and you're running to big shop, no? Big store are opening here and there. But our time, nothing. No, only that little shop was there in the beginning of the compound. There you get the glucose biscuit also, and you get the candy also, and you get raffle also, and you get some chungam also. All that time only, man. Those days, those things were there. He was staying with his sister. She also always, I don't know why she was angry, man. Always angry. And she had to look after this one 10-year-old boy. Don't know if it was her son. Maybe it was her nephew or somebody, I think. Yeah, Suleiman, he was always angry, also fighting with everybody. Whole house was also like that. But still, no, there was peace. We never took any offense for that, and we never had a fight with them. We were good with them, they were good with us. The compound was like a big family, man. Maybe nowadays in the family also, the moment they are fighting. Yes, Auntie, I know. Yeah, that's what happened actually, Auntie, to my neighbors. They had a big fight last week. The brother and sister. That only I'm telling, no, those days, peacefully everybody was living. Even not your relative, they were living peacefully. Yes, baby, it was like that those days. I know it is hard to believe. Good old days, no? So, okay, I'm going to go now and prepare that little bit is left, no? That pork is left. Celine is coming in the evening. So, I'll talk to you more later. You Sit now, you read for a little bit. I prepare and come this, okay? I just have to cut some onions and tomatoes. Auntie, it's okay. I have to leave, Auntie. I'm going to Mabel's house now. Okay, Auntie. Don't worry, don't worry. Baba, don't mind. I'm just like making this thing now because Celine will come anytime, maybe another hour or so. No, Auntie, don't worry. It's okay. I'll come and see you later, okay? Give my regard to your mummy also. Huh? Please tell her that I was inquiring about her and give her my love, okay, baby? Okay, Auntie. Bye. See you. Bye bye. Okay, baby. Bye bye. Bye. Yeah, give my regard to mummy. Don't forget. Bye. Take care. Baba. Look, listen. Call me when you reach. Yeah, call me when you reach home in the night. Let me know you reach safely. Okay. God bless you. Bye bye.